All right, so welcome to room 7067 on the Oceania Vista. Now, this is a French veranda, but it also is an ADA compliant room. Now, Tracy and I, we're fine. It's just this happened to be the only French veranda that was left on the ship, and we have it. Now, it is a much wider room, basically so that if you have individuals who need a wheelchair and so, they have enough room to come through. We do have a picture right here that's just, or at least a video of our friends who have another French veranda, which is not ADA compliant. What you're going to find is it is a much narrower room, but it seems pretty nice.
So as Jan said, this is a French balcony, and this is the entry-level room on the Oceania Vista. Because this is an ADA compliant room, we do actually have quite a bit of space between the bed and the wall, which is not the case probably in the other French balconies. But there is a really nice size, queen size bed that is very comfortable so far with space underneath it. And then you do have 2 nightstands on either side of it. Off to the left, you have a nice couch that actually pulls out to another bed. So if you were a family, you brought someone with you, you could have someone there. There's 2 tables in the room with another chair. And then there's also a nice vanity area that has some a lit vanity above it.
So in our digital world where you're always having to charge your phones or an iPad or use a computer, outlets are, for at least especially for us, are important. In this room, there's lots of outlets on either side of the bed. You not only have a 110 outlet, but you also have a USB-C and a USB-A. Then across by the vanity is where you have a 1 220, and you have 2 110s as well as 2 other sets of USB-Cs and USB-As. So you have plenty of outlets in this room for basically any of your electronic needs. What you don't have is storage space. Now you do have this wardrobe and there's plenty of room for your hanging clothes, but if you have folding clothes or other things you need to put away, this room doesn't have very much. Now over by the vanity, you do have 3 decent sized drawers, but that's pretty much it with the exception of the 3 small drawers that you have on either one of the end tables by the bed. There is also not a lot of shelves. Of course, in the wardrobe, you do have a large shelf all the way along the top where you have your life preservers. And then on this area here, you do have a mini fridge. And above that, you do have 1 shelf, which is where they have the hair dryer and everything else. And then in this cupboard here, you do have your safe and you have 1 other shelf. So not a lot of shelves for what we're going to be on a 25-day journey, which probably a little bit more clothes than we probably should have brought.
And here in the bathroom, we have probably the largest shower we've ever had. But remember, this is an ADA compliant room, so there aren't any rails or bathtubs or anything in there. There is a shower curtain, which I guess would probably not be in a regular room. But it does have a nice big handle on it for mobility issues. It has 1 sink with a lit mirror, and then it does have the toilet. And what is missing in this room is any cupboard space or any cabinet space. So there's no room really to put like makeups or anything that you would keep underneath the sink. Again, we're going to be on here for 25 days. Usually we bring like mild lotion and cosmetics and toiletries and stuff like that. So we're going to have to be very clever with space. Even the area underneath the sink is a big space area, but there's nothing there. The drawer does not open up. And I thought that there was a drawer over here underneath the thing, but it looks like it's just a place to put trash or something. So we're going to adjust our room packing and everything, but it is a very big, lovely, decorated bathroom.
So remember, this is a French veranda room, so you do not have a full balcony. You do have this French veranda. You have a sliding glass door that opens up, and you have a little bit of a railing here. So when you are at sea or just at port, you can open it up and be able to get a little bit of sea air as you're coming in. Or you can bring a chair over and kind of see the sea going by. You do have the life boats underneath you, so it is a little bit of obstructed if you're looking down. But I'll tell you what, for the price which we paid here for this, absolutely, this is going to be a great room. So we have so much more to show you. Go on to watch this video, and as always, keep on traveling.